Welcome back to the channel. So the giveaway of the Bluetti EB3A closed on Sunday 23rd of March. It's just gone at 5 PM. So I've just paused temporarily the comments on the video in my Life of Stew channel, that is. Thanks for everyone that has taken part. I think we've had 80 entrants around that figure when I last looked. So you've got a great chance of winning. I've really enjoyed reading how you would use the portable power station with all the comments, with some unique answers, to be honest. So just to remind you of what will now happen. I'll run a quick random software picker and select the winner from all those that commented with the EB3A phrase. I will then share this video in both channels. I will then post in the winner's comments to inform them they have won as well. They will then need to email me at getawaygeese@btinternet.com, sharing their contact details and full postal address. As stated before in the guidelines to the competition, that winner must reside in the UK, including Northern Ireland. Failure to do so will make me have to choose another winner, so that will be a void draw and I'll have to redraw again. Finally, and this is really important, the next step is to avoid scams. I will then email the winner back with a secret phrase that they must edit their original comment when entering the competition and add that secret word into it, so then I know it's not a scam contact, if you get me. So I repeat, the winner must add that phrase to the comment that I give when I mail them back. The winner has 10 days to provide me the details, otherwise I'll have no choice but to redraw. So by the 4th of April, 6 PM UK time, let's say, I will need to have their contact, okay? Once I'm happy I'm dealing with the winner, I will then instruct Bluetti to ship it to them. Okay, so let's go over to the laptop and select the winner at random. So good luck, everyone. So I'll just turn the camera around. So here's the software here. So we've got the EB3A phrase. We're going to let it drum roll for about 15 seconds. So I'm just going to grab those comments. There's 80 comments, as I've said. So let's just go into the draw. Good luck, everybody. So let's start that. So it'll come up with the winner in a minute. It's exciting for somebody. And the winner is, drum roll, Edward Koch, 7048. So congratulations, Edward. As long as you are obviously in the UK, we'll send you a communication. If not, I'll have to withdraw. So if I look at Edward Koch on here, see if I can find his comments. Edward Koch, let's have a look. Where was he? Scroll down, there's comments there somewhere. Must be down towards the bottom. Let's have a look. There it is, Edward Koch. Because they are awesome. That was his comments. That's good a reason as anyone. So well done, Edward. I say you'll need to just, when I give you the secret phrase after you've emailed, press those 3 dots on your comment, edit it and add the secret phrase, then I know I'm dealing with the proper person. So congratulations, Edward, again, and thank you all for entering. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed the reviews, and hopefully you'll carry on watching us on both channels. See you in the next videos.